Okay, I've been very careful not to cut myself while I'm using my machete to, I knocked off all the corners, right, just to make sure that it looks old and tattered. Even the ends. You know, it doesn't have to be beautiful, right? I mean, that's kind of what we're going after. And then, just playing around, I thought I would try that. That turned out looking pretty good too. That kind of looks like termite runs to me also. But then, you know, I started wondering what were all the different designs that Kim worked on and we liked. So this is, remember, this is what the grinder looks like. And she labeled them all, which was nice. So this is the grinder and dragging it, she said. I can't read that writing, but it's obviously the grinder, right? Just on the side, just like this is. This is the grinder. Oh, maybe that says sander. So she probably had, I don't know what, that may have been the grinder with a sanding pad on it. Here's the chisel with the hammer, right? Or a punch with a hammer. There she drilled holes at angles. That was kind of hard, tedious, which you can do basically the same thing with the punch. And here's the awl that she used. Chisel, punch, chisel, wrench, something. There's a drill. So now I can use some of those techniques and do a little bit more. And I don't know, sometimes it's sometimes less is more, but I think in a situation like this, I think more is going to be better. But you still have to make it, I think, make sense. So let me get back to it.